What is the location of the ID number in UMID?
Hello there. In this video, we are going to talk about a common question many people have about the Unified Multipurpose ID, UMID, card in the Philippines. Where is the ID number located? The UMID card is a crucial piece of identification in the Philippines, so it's important to know how to use it correctly.
What is UMID?
First things first, let's briefly talk about what the UMID is. The Unified Multipurpose ID, UMID, is a 4-in-1 identification card that Filipinos can use. It is issued by the Social Security System, SSS, but also serves as the ID for the Government Service Insurance System, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, and the Home Development Mutual Fund.
Features of the UMID card.
The UMID card has several features that help prevent fraud and make it a secure form of identification. It has a photo, signature, and personal details of the cardholder. More importantly for our topic, it has a unique ID number for each cardholder.
Where is the ID number located?
Now for the main part of our discussion. The ID number on the UMID card is located on the front side of the card, at the upper right corner, right below the cardholder's date of birth. This number is unique to every cardholder and is crucial for transactions and identification purposes. And there you have it. The ID number on your UMID card is easily found on the front, at the upper right corner, below your date of birth. Remember, this ID number is crucial, so keep your card safe. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this.